Hi everybody. Today I'll show you how to add link on Instagram story. So let's begin. As you can see here that we are already inside our Instagram profile. So first of all, we're going to actually create a story. So for the story, you can take a picture, okay, in the story, or you can also use the picture from your gallery. So we're going to simply take a random picture here. All right, so now to add the link to our story, we have to tap on the smiley icon that we have on the top. And here you will be able to see the option of the link, but if you cannot see that, you can simply search for it. So I'm going to simply tap on that. We have the link here, and here you can simply add the link whatever you want to add here. So I'm just adding the link for the google.com, and now for the link I can add the customize sticker text. So I'm going to add customize sticker text, so I can add it as Google's link. I'm going to click on done. And now you can see here that we have our link on the Instagram story. So now I'm going to upload our story here. So we're going to click on the icon here, click on share, click on done. We have uploaded our story successfully. Now I'm going to simply tap on that, and I'm going to tap on the link here. You will be able to see the option of visit link. So if I tap on the visit link here, it will basically let me go to the google.com. So this is how you can add a link on the Instagram story. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe the channel.